Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to count the cell text values using Microsoft Excel. So we know, for instance, you're asked maybe to count the values of buildings in this Excel, or maybe the values of maybe sport height. So the normal Excel user will do this way. Maybe for instance, maybe click here and go to data, then filter, then like that, then select, then building. Okay, then you select all of it. So you count here at the bottom 153. So this is like a tedious way. So I'm going to show you like an Excel Pro how to do it. So we have 153 numbers of buildings. So I'm going to show you here how to do it in a very fast way. What you're required to do is just maybe you can just select anywhere. Punch a formula by typing equal sign, countif, here it is. Then range. This is my range. I can select this one here. Then comma, then keep this like a double string for putting text. So I'll say building, building, building. Then close the bracket, enter. See, just like that, 153. So you can change, for instance, sport height, like that one. Put a space here. Enter 4306, and you can always cross check here by selecting filter, sport height. Let's go for the sport height here. Okay, then selecting, you see 4306. So that's the way of doing it in a very simple way using count if, as I've just shown you here, just like that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video.